Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well, and especially after the Supreme Court verdict which came today, which puts a stay on UGC regulation, you must be feeling much better. But friends, this is not the end. We have got some relief, but the fight is far from over. First, let me clarify one thing. Otherwise, some fools will come and call me casteist. No, I am not. I am not a casteist at all. I fully support the idea that no human being should face discrimination or injustice, no matter which state, caste, gender they belong to. The keyword here is the human being. Now, talking about this entire UGC issue, which has cleared many things, or let me say the confusion that we all are having, meaning the true nationalist and Sanatani people in the real sense, has been removed. In this video, we are going to discuss all of that. So I request you all to watch this video till the end. If my argument seems correct to you, please support and promote this particular video and channel. And yes, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Friends, what has happened regarding the new UGC regulation has exposed many people and leaders. At the same time, it has also put the BJP intentions towards the general category under serious scrutiny or doubt. These UGC guidelines are not right for any civilized society, and the protest we have started, it should not stop. It should not stop until this very regulation is completely rolled back or getting scrapped. This fight is going to be long, and we have to fight. There is no other options here. The remarks made by the Supreme Court are very important, and I wanted that BJP, the Education Minister and Ministry should do some self-introspection and course-correct them according to the remarks and the public sentiment which are coming out in the open. In the last few months, many mistakes of Education Ministry have came to light. The Education Minister, the Ministry, BJP party and Modi government and Modi ji himself should do some soul-searching introspection and reflect on why all this is happening. When you are right, we stand with you and will always stand with you. We have stood with you in the past as well. But if you do something wrong, there will be opposition, there will be protest against those things. We are being so critical of you because we expect better decision, better work culture and better results from you. What haven't we, means the general category people, have done for the BJP? Like, don't repay the support which we have given BJP and to Modi ji by making such policies and such wrong policy. We absolutely do not want anyone's exploitation, discrimination or injustice. That's why you should make policies accordingly, that it is inclusive to everyone. And hats off to the Supreme Court for once again reflecting the Sanatan principle of natural justice, which states Yato Dharmasya Tato Jaya, which means where there is dharma and truth, there is victory. Though today's stage order has truly reflected that. The pain and oppression that the general categories has forced for the last few decades, or the attempts to oppress them, has become clearly visible in this UGC protest. The new UGC regulation of 2026 is not a law, it is a draconian law. It is a medium to further strengthen discrimination and oppress the general category. And this protest will continue until it is completely eliminated or scrapped, rolled back, and the mentality of settling scores is not getting changed. It is a medium to further strengthen discrimination, and this protest will continue until it is completely eliminated, rolled back, and the mentality of settling a score is changed. Today, the general category is on the streets because it feels like the government and the ecosystem only listen to the voices of crowd. This is a lesson for Hindus and general category people as well. Don't stay silent. If you're finding something which is happening and which is wrong, you should raise your voice, you should speak up, you should criticize those things. And in the end, I just wanted to say something to Modi ji. Modi ji, we expect better things from you. If possible, then also please arrange some training and skills training for your party members, for your party and government leaders on how to connect with the political and public sentiment. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.